So I've just finished the current project. There's my pizza oven over there, which I finished building yesterday. Garden's looking nice. But now it's time to get rid of some wood. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if fire can actually clear out my mixer. You can see it's got some cement stuck to it, to the sides there and around here. So we're going to make a little fire in there today. And we're going to see if the heat will actually help break up the cement. So will fire help clean the drum of my mixer? Got a load of wood I've got to get rid of anyway. Let's break it up. Let's put it in there and let's see if we can clean some of the junk out on the inside. So yeah, I got cement stuck to the side, all around the rim, quite thick down the bottom. Let's burn that lot in there, give it an hour, see what happens. God, I've fried my face a couple of times with the magic water. Oof. Hopefully I got some eyelashes and eyebrows left. My face is still tingling. Oh, my lips are all way too early in the morning to start putting bloody petrol on things. I really feel numb. Well, metal expands, isn't it? By 5% or something. So if it expands, then it might separate itself from the cement and concrete and all that stuff in it. But now, I've always wanted to know, so we shall soon find out. Testing. Well, it's not that hot anymore. It has cooled down loads. I was hoping some bits have actually come off by there. So that did kind of work. But yeah, for some reason I had in my crazy head they would all be clean. But yeah, obviously I've got to get the mallet on it now and beat it a little bit. Let's see how it comes off. It is coming off a bit easier, I must admit. So, actually, maybe it did work. I'm thinking it did actually work. Well, I suppose it comes off a bit easier. Oh well, there we go. Experiment over. I gotta get some stuff in the back of the skip now. Pack all this stuff away in the van because I'm on holidays soon and going to Tobago on Monday. Right, okay guys. Okie doke, so that was that experiment over. I've always wanted to know, does it actually do anything? Maybe it has loosened it up a bit. I don't know, just having a bit of fun. Right, I'm out of here. Later.